Alrighty, check this out. I got this Samsung A20 and I can't stand the small little itty bitty letters and it's just hard to see. And first thing I did was install Nova Launcher. And if you want to know how to get the Nova Launcher, just comment me below and I can send you the link to download the Pro Nova Launcher so you can customize and make your icons bigger like I have, like on the bottom and stuff like that. But basically, you go to settings, which you can do at the top. I have a shortcut here. Go to settings, go to display, and then you go to font size and style, and see you can change the size of your font. But boom, So I got mine where I want it to be. I like it to be like right there. Well, kind of hard to mess with. All right, so right there, that's where I like my font. And then when you go back, you'll see the fonts are bigger. And of course, that's in dark mode. Mine might look different. You might want to check my other video I have for putting your A20 Samsung in dark mode.